For question 3E, we're supposed to consider two options. We have the primary research and secondary research. So they said Tata Motor Company gathers data to help it promote its vehicles. It is considering two options. The first option is primary research. The second option is secondary research. So the question says justify which one of these options Tata Motor Company should use. So I start with primary research. When I talk about primary research, I wrote, it allows information to be gathered directly from the people about the kind of cars they want and the amount they are prepared to pay. When you use primary research, it means you are gathering first-hand information. And when it is first-hand information, it means you can simply talk to the respondents, who are your customers, to know the amount of the amount they can afford when it comes to price and the kind of cars they want. So that's the first point. So primary research allows you to speak directly to your respondents, to speak directly to your customers or potential customers about their needs and the price they can afford to pay. Two, so this means Tata may be able to design vehicles that meet the needs of customers, leading to increase in sales. Because you have done a research about their needs. So it means when your research is done, you can use your research to design a product that will meet the needs of your customers. Market research allows you to gather information about the needs and wants of your customers and the price they are able to pay. That is what market research will do. So when you get this information, what do you use this information for? You use this information to design the products that meet the needs of customers. And when you're able to design the products that meet the needs of customers due to primary market research, it means your revenue is likely to increase because you have produced what they want and they are likely to buy. But the problem about primary research is that it takes time and it costs money. It takes a lot of time to gather information because it's first-hand. You have to be on the field. It takes time and it is expensive. That is about primary research. Any question about primary research? Then we'll go to secondary research. For secondary research, I wrote, it is much easier to collect from other sources, which means it won't take Tata much time to gather information. When you use secondary research is desk research, which means the information you need has been carried out by some researcher before you. So all you need is to get the information from the right source. So that is external. So and it is secondary research. So this information, you are not the one gathering the information. The information is already there. So you are just going to find ways to get those information. So that means it's going to be easier for you, unlike primary research, which it takes time. So for secondary research, maybe you can use the website of your competitors. You can get government statistics. These are secondary research, so it's easier. However, the data collected may not give information that Tata needs. So the problem about secondary research is that the research was done for a specific reason, not for your own reason. So the information you will get from the secondary research might not be useful or might not be relevant with your own needs. That's the first problem about secondary research. The second problem about secondary research is that those information might have been outdated. They are information in the past. So if they are outdated, it means they are not relevant for now. So that's the difference between primary research and secondary research. Any question about primary research and secondary research? Good.